Turn on or off videos notifications from people you may know. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off videos notifications from people you may know on a TikTok app, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Once you are there, click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy. Now all you need to do is scroll down and click on push notifications, and you're gonna find videos suggestions. You're gonna find the second option, which is videos from people you may know. You can turn on or off this option wherever you want. If you turn off this option, people you may know, when they post a video, are not gonna get a notifications. So easy and quick. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like.